What can you do with 1,000 pesos? Well, if you have one, here are a few financially smart ideas to grow your money. Let's be real. 1,000 pesos won't make you rich, but it can get you started. And for beginners, you can put it in a high interest savings account or time deposit from a digital bank. Your savings will grow faster compared to just putting it in a traditional savings account. Put your money in unit investment trust funds. These investments are available in almost all banks. Call your branch or check your bank's website to see the requirements for opening an account. Buy and sell stuff. I used to buy secondhand books and sold them to friends for extra income. A friend does the same but for multivitamins, while another one buys clothes in bazaars and sells them online. That 1,000 pesos won't change your life, but it will help you earn extra income and teach you smart money habits that will benefit you for many years.